Cleaning the exterior, the media sensors and the media compartment on the ZT200 series printers. To clean the exterior, use a lint-free cloth and a small amount of mild detergent if necessary. Do not use harsh or abrasive cleaning agents or solvents. To clean the media compartment, brush, air blow, or vacuum any accumulated paper lint and dust away from the media and ribbon pads. Clean the sensors using the same method to remove dust and paper lint. Move the empty ribbon supply core to the ribbon take-up spindle. You are now ready to load your new ribbon supply roll.